guys, happy Halloween. I am gonna do a really quick Halloween craft. I'm gonna make a potion bottle. This was a soap dispenser and I love the color. It's because it's brown. And I did a search on Pinterest and found all of these spooky labels, free printables. I have to look up who it was because I forget. But this one here, poison number 72, venom spider. How cute is that? And then snake skins. There's a whole bunch of different ones. Petrified bat. There's like smaller ones. Toad slime. So there's a bunch of different ones. But for this bottle, what do you think, Ryan? Should we use this one or this one? I'm gonna put on there. What do you think? Snake skins or venom spider? For a creepy corner. What do you think, buddy? I think maybe
venom.
Oh, the snakes. Oh, the venom. Yeah. I agree. I kind of like that. I have Mod Podge here, and I have this one. I have as gloss. I have matte somewhere, and I looked and I couldn't find it. So I'm going to use
newspaper.
Mod Podge and gloss, and I hope this one's not dried out. If not, the other one should be good. Wait, is this even open? Let's see. Oh, it's not open. That would help. Yeah, I'm doing this on the coffee table today, so I'm just kind of like, playing it casual. That's Ryan. And let's just pour a little in here. Oh, or a lot. Yikes, Ryan, yikes. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I glued my nail too. Look at my nail. It's got glue all over it. Okay, so
I'll get some.
this is kind of rolling. No, I'm okay, honey. Don't worry.
Okay.
That was really sweet of you though. So we're just gonna paint the Mod Podge on here. I'd rather matte for this project, but you have to work with what you have, right?
Yeah.
I've had this sitting here forever to do, and here I am on Halloween doing it. And after this, I'm going to do a little cleaning, and then I'm going to do a jack-o'-lantern, right? What is it, Rye? Oh, okay, I will. All right, so I hope you guys can see. We're just gonna line this up. Make a little poison jar. I've had this for such a long time. Wanting to do it, and I haven't been getting to things lately. I'm hoping after the holidays by holidays I really mean after Halloween. I feel like we've been just crazy doing stuff, right, Ryan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about put water in it?
All right, I'm gonna use this to try to smooth it out a little. I'm getting my fingerprints on it because I'm sticky.
What are you gonna put in there?
And then look, I'm gonna paint on top because this stuff dries clear. This Mod Podge stuff. So we're gonna put a coat on top, and that's gonna. And I don't expect it to be perfect because it's a witch's poison bottle, right?
Yeah.
So this dries clear. So let's just throw some of this on top, and it'll dry nice and clear. And should we put one of these on our eyeball container? Go get our eyeballs to show them. If you don't mind, buddy. Hopefully it won't have too many ridges in there, but if it does, that's okay. I'm trying to smooth out some of the wrinkles. This should look really cool. Oh, there's our eyeballs. I spray painted the top of this jar. Oh, I'm getting glue on there. And then we filled it with eyeballs for our creepy corner. Okay, now this has to sit and dry. Nobody touch this because it's wet, okay? And then, even if it's crooked, I don't care. It's fine. So there it is. It looks pretty cool.
Put some eyeballs in.
Wait. No, we can't fit eyeballs in this one because it's not big enough. Do we want to put one of these on this jar? I say maybe we should. Let's see what one says. We should have put skulls in here. This one says shrunken heads.
Yeah,
that would look cool.
I'll get
or bug bites.
But bug bite.
What's this one say?
These would be good to do.
Let's see. We need one that says something scary. I wish there was one for eyeballs.
Yeah,
But we don't have
like
one for eyeballs.
blobs.
Which one you want to put on there? Let's put snake skins on there. Do you want to do that?
Yeah,
Well, then we
snake
can't
skin.
see our eyeballs in there. I don't know. Are we gonna? I
Yeah.
think we should put shrunken heads and put skulls in here. What do you
Yeah.
think?
Yeah.
I'll have to save another jar for the eyeballs.
I'll go get the skull heads.
Okay. Wait a sec.
What should we do?
Wait, can you get your? Will you get your hands out of there? Oh, these kids. They keep me action-packed busy, and that's why I haven't had a video out here in a couple weeks. We've been trunk-or-treating, and then we went to I'm in Pennsylvania where they have...
This is a jack-o'-lantern.
Oh, that's very good, buddy. I live in Pennsylvania, and we went to the Hers potato chip factory for trick-or-treat. What did you think of the Hers trick-or-treat, buddy?
Good.
It was great, I know. We had a great time, and we want to thank them. They really have it nice. Uh-oh, I think there goes our skulls on the ground. Can you pick them up for me, Ryan, honey? Okay, now hopefully this will dry okay and look okay on the clear glass. But we're going to fill this with, instead of the eyeballs, I'll get a different jar, and we're going to put our skulls inside. Our creepy corner. Look how cool that will look. Shrunken heads, and look. We're going to have mini skulls in there. See, can you see shrunken heads up close? And then we're going to take this out and put all our mini skulls. Or wait, we don't want them everywhere. Let's find something to pour it in. I don't want them rolling everywhere. All right, well, we'll be okay on the newspaper. Oh.
I'll get in.
Let's put our shrunken heads in.
I know what to do.
And these were all from the dollar store, the shrunken heads. The skulls. Let's try to get them facing the right way so we can see them.
How about skulls
And then I
eyeballs?
spray painted the top of this jar with the hammered spray paint.
This
And then it
skull.
says shrunken heads. There's a big skull. Oh, we're doing like show and tell. We're going to show a video of our creepy corner. It's just a small little corner. It's not even a corner. It's on a bulletin bench. An old newspaper bench that I have. And we did a creepy
Eyeballs.
section, right?
Yeah.
You guys are a riot. Buddy, you're going to make them seasick. Ooh, see, like that.
Yeah, so we do.
Yeah, you wanna.
Stuff like-
What are you doing, hand? Are you doing the Macarena over here?
No.
Okay. Oh, he's putting eyeballs in the skull. In the skull. Show them, Ryan, what you're doing here. He's putting eyeballs in the skeleton head. Okay. We're gonna show. Oh, I love this petrified bat one here. This one is just so cute. Look at that. Petrified bat.
How about get some bats at the dollar store?
God bless you.
Mommy, get some small bats at the dollar store and
We'll put them in you're right. We'll put them in a jar. That's so great.
and put this on.
You know, I just realized I didn't get my black butterfly, clip-on butterflies for our creepy corner. We have to find them. I didn't put them in the creepy corner. All right, we're gonna wrap this up, and I'm going to put these actually in my creepy corner wet because that's how I roll. And I will show you what my creepy corner looks like.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween. Bye.
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 We're gonna show you the creepy corner in a couple secs. Spooky. Here is my creepy corner. A lot of these things were from the Dollar Tree. You probably remember the haunted house that I made. And I've got a really old Tales of Edgar Allan Poe book.
Ooh.
And then the skulls were Dollar Tree. Actually, all of the skeletons were from the Dollar Tree. The spider and the bird. And then we've got a casting spells book and a coffin. Ryan wants to show the coffin. And inside is what? A
Vampire.
That was from the Dollar Tree. And then we've got a tombstone. And we have the jars we just made, shrunken heads, and our poison bottle. and I looked up the potion, and I will put a link, maybe not a link, I will put a image so you can see where I got the poison and potion bottle images from. So there we go. I put some cool candles, and we've got our eyeballs. I just put it in a glass jar there, and we've got some spiders, and then these are the butterflies. And over here we have a bat hanging on upside down. Some of my creepy cloth is out of control. I think it's because of my kids or my kittens. One or the other, but anyway, it's just a small little section, and this is a bulletin bench that my dad owned a deli, and a bulletin was a newspaper that they used to sell, and I am really, really lucky to have the bulletin bench still.
And it's really old.
It is really old, and I'm very proud of it because it was what was in my
And
daddy's
look at
deli.
this cool glow stick.
Yep, he got glue stick at school today. And this I got this on clearance, the globe at Walmart. I think it was $6, so I think it was half off. Ryan wants me to tell you that that is a real man skull head.
Right here and there.
Yep. Whoa. Okay, Daniel. And I'm gonna take a couple of pictures. I mean, it's not a big area, but it's fun, and my kids really like it. And
here is the potion bottle we worked on.
yeah. And the chains, we got some chains at the Dollar Tree.
And this is a creepy skull hand coming out of the ground.
It is, I know, we have a creepy hand back there. That's the Dollar Tree as well. But one thing I like about this is none of it was expensive, but you see some of these products at like Michael's and Joann, and they are for a lot more money than $1.
Yeah.
You know, we got the rat at the Dollar Tree for $1, the hand, we got the eyeballs, the little shrunken head skulls, and the chains. Pretty much most of it was $1.
And the tombstone.
The tombstone, yep. Yeah, we're not going to put it outside. We're going to keep it in our creepy corner, right, buddy?
You can see the little red glowing eyes.
I know. He's spooky, right?
With glitter inside.
So I hope you guys have a happy Halloween. We're getting rain here in Pennsylvania, and we're hoping the rain will hold out. We'll still go out in the rain, but we're hoping that it won't be soaking wet or storming. If it has lightning, we probably won't go. But we're going to go trick-or-treating, rain or shine, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ryan, you want to tell everybody happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween! Bye, everybody.
But before we go, I want to show you something.
Oh.
This really
yes.
creepy mirror.
Yes, we got that at the Dollar Tree too, didn't we, buddy?
Yeah.
Yep, you look in it and it looks like your skeleton. That's right. It's cool.
And this is her dad as a baby.
Yep, that's my daddy as a baby. You're right. Well, bye, everybody.
Bye.
Thanks for watching, and please hit that subscribe button for future videos. And I appreciate you tuning in. And if you subscribe, it really does help my channel. Thanks so much, and I hope everyone has a happy, fun, and safe Halloween. Bye.
Bye.